Good morning, student. As we have started trigonometric functions, in that I have given the periodic formula of periodic function, that is sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, or 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, and all. Now we will use that formula to solve this question. See, the first question is, if it is given sin 300 degree, as we know the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and we can find 120 degree, 150 degree also, 180 degree also. But we don't know the value of sine 300 degree. What we will do? We will use periodic function, that is 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta, that we will use here. Now here sine 300 degree is given. We can write like this: sine 360 minus theta. Sine 360 minus, if we write sine 360 minus 60 degree, so what we will get? Sine 300 degree, the question. And we know that the formula of sine 360 minus theta. Sine 360 minus theta is minus sine theta. It is minus sine theta. Now here we are given value sine 300 degree. So sine 300 degree, we will write sine 360 minus theta. So it will be sine 300 degree. So we can write here sine 360 degree minus 60 degree. So it will be a minus sine 60 degree. Now we know the value of 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is minus 1 by 2. So this will be our answer. Now next, if it is given cos minus 315 degree. Here it is given cos 315 degree. So we can write, we know the formula here, that is cos minus theta. Cos minus theta, it is equal to cos theta. Cos minus theta equal to cos theta. So first we will reduce the minus sign. Now here we will get given here minus cos minus 315 degree. So we will use this formula. Cos minus theta, that is cos theta. So it will become cos 315 degree. Now again we are getting cos 315 degree. So we can write like this also: cos 360 minus 45 degree. Cos 360 minus 45 degree, it will be cos 315 degree. And we know the formula of cos 360 degree minus 60 degree. Sorry, for theta. Cos 360 minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta, it is equal to cos theta. It is equal to cos theta. So we will use here. So it is cos 360 degree minus 45 degree. It is equal to cos 45 degree. And cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So this will be the answer. Again for the given tan minus 330 degree. Given tan 300 minus 330 degree. Again same, minus sign is given. First we have to reduce the minus sign. So we can write here tan minus theta. Tan minus theta, it is equal to minus tan theta. Tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So we will get here tan 330 degree minus 330 degree. So it will be minus tan 330 degree. So first we have reduced the minus sign. Now we have to find the value of sine tan 330 degree, or tan 330 degree can also be used here. 360 degree minus 30 degree. 360 minus 30 will be 330 degree. Minus sign is already given here, and we know that tan 360 minus theta, it is equal to minus tan theta. It is equal to minus tan theta. This is the formula. So we will get here minus tan 360 degree minus 30 degree. So it will become minus tan 30 degree. Now minus into minus it will become plus. So we will get here tan 30 degree. And tan 30 we know that it is value is 1 by root 3. So whatever way the question is given, you have to reduce in the known values. Now again, if it is given question number 8c, it is given tan 315 degree into cot minus 405 degree plus cot 495 degree into tan minus 585 degree. We have to prove equal to 2. So here we know the periodic function is given in terms of sine, cos and tan. That is sine 90 plus theta or sine, that is 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. In terms of sine, cos and cot we know. So here cot is given. So we know that the reciprocal of tan is cot. So if you know the tan formula, you can do for the cot also. So first we will here take the LHS. So it is tan 315 degree into here, since we know that tan minus theta, it is equal to minus tan theta. It is equal to minus tan theta. So cot is given, so it will be here into minus cot 405 degree plus cot 495 degree into tan minus theta will be minus tan 585 degree. Or further what we will get here, minus tan 315 degree into cot 405 degree plus, and here minus is given, so it will be minus cot 495 degree into tan 585 degree. Now this question is given. Now sine 315 degree is given. You use 360 plus or minus theta. 405 degree is given, 360 plus theta. 495, 360 plus theta, 135 degree you will get, and here 225 degree you will get. So we can write here minus tan 360 minus 45 degree, 315 degree into cot 405 degree means 360 plus 45 degree. 360 plus 45, it will be 405 degree minus cot 360 plus 135 degree. 360 plus 130, it will be 495 degree into tan 360 plus 225 degree. 225 degree. Now use the formula. Minus tan 360 minus theta is minus tan theta. Similarly, tan 360 plus theta is tan theta, and so here cot is given, so it will be cot theta, and then again cot theta will be cot theta here, and tan 360 plus theta will be tan theta. So use this. So here minus tan 360 minus theta will be minus tan theta, so it will be plus tan 45 degree. Cot tan 360 plus theta is tan theta, so cot 360 plus theta will be cot theta. So here you will get cot 45 degree minus tan 360 plus theta is tan theta, so cot 360 plus theta will be cot theta. So cot 135 degree into tan 360 plus theta is tan theta, so tan 225 degree. Again we know the value of tan 45 degree 1 into tan for cot 45 degree 1 minus cot 135 degree can also be written as tan 90 plus 45 degree into tan 180 plus 45 degree. Now tan 90 plus theta. Tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. So cot 90 plus theta will be minus tan theta. So it will become plus tan 45 degree. Similarly, tan 180 plus theta. Tan 180 plus theta is tan theta. So 180 plus theta will be tan theta. So here you will get tan 45 degree. So here it is 1 plus tan 45 1, tan 45 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So this proved. So whatever the question is given, you have to reduce in the known angles. So learn by heart the formula and try the other question. Thank you.